Hi guys, I'm back. Today we're having mushroom risotto. So let's get started by having oil in a hot pan, and we're adding mushrooms into that pan. We're having baby bella mushroom and 1 large spoon of minced onions and half a teaspoon of garlic. Salt and pepper to taste. And once cooked, just set them aside. Now, before you get started in the next step, go ahead and have your chicken broth on a simmer because you want it warm to be added to your risotto. On that same pan, go ahead and add a large spoon of butter, about 2 tablespoons of oil, half an onion, garlic, and mix it well. I'm adding a little bit of salt and pepper to taste again. I'm not adding a lot of salt. You guys gonna see me adding salt a couple times, and I like to flavor my layers, therefore I don't add a lot of salt. I added a couple squeezes of lemon because I don't use white wine. This recipe calls for white wine, but lemon will just do just fine if you don't want to use white wine. Now go ahead and add your pasta, and you just want to toast it a little bit, not burn it. You constantly want to keep moving it so it doesn't burn. Okay, so this might just take a couple minutes. Now again, I'll go ahead and add a little bit of salt, and I'm adding a little bit of thyme as well, about a teaspoon. I'm kind of eyeballing it. Rub it between your hand to release those aromas, and just kind of mix it again as well. Remember that broth that we had simmering, so now we're adding 1 large spoon at a time, and we're mixing, and we're gonna be doing this for about 18 to 20 minutes until your pasta is cooked. So you just want to be patient with it. Patience is the key to this recipe. And we're gonna go ahead and just repeat the process over and over again until we taste our pasta and we find it al dente, which means to the tooth, not overcooked, not undercooked. So just keep adding the broth little by little, mixing it and letting it cook. Again, be patient with it, and it's gonna be delicious, trust me. So after 18 minutes, mine was cooked. Go ahead and taste yours. It might need a couple more minutes. Now go ahead and add those cooked onions that we had cooked in the beginning, and add 1 scoop of broth. Add your cheese. I'm not big on cheese, so therefore a lot of my recipes you're gonna see me kind of being cheap or not using a lot of cheese, and that's because I'm not much of a cheese person. Use Parmesan. I also had some mozzarella in the house, and I tossed it in there, and it was actually really good. I grilled some chicken on the side, made some salad, and it was delicious. I hope you guys enjoy it.